Thank you guys for stopping by at my channel Experimental Gardening. Today's video is very beautiful vine. You can see the flowers are very beautiful and it is called Clematis. So this normally this starts flowering in the first week of May and it lasts up to the first week of June. So about 30 days it will give you the flower, and its flowers are very beautiful purple color you can see, and they are quite big in size and they look very beautiful when you will see them in the season. And this is the bird, a very big bird of this flower. And this flower, this plant you can buy from your local garden center in the month of April. And now you can see in the 21st of July, it has no flower now, and the old flowers are going to dry out. And you can collect the seeds to propagate them, and they are very easy to propagate. So collect the seeds and you can grow in the next season in the month of February. So in the 20th November, everything has dried out now. It's very cold now, and about -5 degrees something temperature. So it cannot survive in this temperature, but it will come back in the next season and you will enjoy it again and again. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also grow this flowering vine. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you will see again me in the next video. Thank you and bye.